Natural gas is one of the most important energy sources that we have today.
I know there's a big boom going on right now. I really wanted to get into it, and I had for a couple of years, but didn't really know how to go about it.
I decided to come to Douglas because of the length of the program.
Natural gas program with heavy equipment and CDL consists of 13-week classroom training, which covers all the initial drilling and fracking and production part of natural gas wells.
Not knowing that much about natural gas, I wanted something a little more, in depth. What I like most about the program is the instructor really walks us through the process of natural gas extraction.
In the natural gas program, you will receive a PEC card and the OSHA 10 card.
There was really no other schools around here that offers you that.
The CDL portion of the program is 7 weeks, 2 weeks in the classroom and 5 weeks on the range and the road. The heavy equipment portion is 5 weeks, 1 week in the classroom, and the next 4 weeks are on the training site actually using the equipment.
Well, since I've started here, I've realized that there are a myriad of jobs in addition to what I thought there was. There are a lot of things that you can do, that it is not just the drilling, that there's probably something for everybody.
I needed something to teach me from the very beginning up. And I wanted a technical school, and Douglas offered the heavy equipment operator course, the CDL, plus the background of natural gas. So that way I could go into the industry and talk the talk and walk the walk.